And from America, let's shift focus to West Asia, where tensions are rising high in the West Asia region. Britain and France have urgently convened a meeting at the United Nations Security Council to address the dire humanitarian crises in Gaza. Now, consequently, Israeli military reported progress in delivering humanitarian supplies to northern Gaza, with 50 trucks carrying essential items from Jordan. And amid these developments, Israel continues its military operations against Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza region, resulting in escalating violence and casualties.
As the West Asia region continues to remain on edge, Britain and France have called an urgent meeting at the United Nations Security Council to discuss the humanitarian situation in Gaza.
And Israel must take all possible steps to avoid civilian casualties, to allow aid into Gaza in much greater volume, and provide the UN and humanitarian partners the ability to operate effectively. Mr. Speaker, along with France, the UK will convene an urgent meeting of the UN Security Council to address this.
Wednesday also saw humanitarian aid heading to northern Gaza. Israeli Military Administrative Unit Kogat-A released a video showing humanitarian aid headed to northern Gaza. The unit said there were 50 trucks with equipment including medical supplies and shelter equipment from Jordan. Earlier, the United States said the humanitarian situation must improve or Israel could face potential restrictions on U.S. military aid. Meanwhile, in the conflict zone, Israel continued its intense air and ground campaigns against Hezbollah in Lebanon and against Hamas in the Gaza Strip. Israeli Defense Forces launched an airstrike on Wednesday on the municipal headquarters in Nabatiyeh, a major town in South Lebanon, killing the mayor and at least 5 others. In retaliation, a barrage of around 30 rockets were identified crossing from Lebanon into Israel on Wednesday, with the majority of the projectiles intercepted by Israeli air defense systems. Dheeraj Das's report for DD India.